Hello, good Sutar.
Hello. Good.
Here I am going to present my technical seminar on plastic mulching under the guidance
Okay.
of Professor Anand Zadi.
Huh.
So let's start the presentation. First point is introduction part. Basically, plastic mulching is a polyethylene sheeting laid on the soil surface to increase crop production by suppressing weeds, moderating soil temperature, and conserving soil moisture. They are usually used commercially both for vegetables and small fruit crops. Plastic mulch is a critical technology for saving water in arid region. Owing to this function is warming the soil, preserving soil moisture, and increasing crop yield. This process is used for cotton, soybean, and other vegetable. Yes, sir. Next slide
Huh.
is working. The figure with mulching and without mulch. First, with mulching. Plastic mulch reflects sunrays that hits the soils and also keeps the soil cooler, helps to prevent evaporation, also reduces weeds growing, and also prevents soil erosion. On the winds or running water does not directly come on it, but in without mulch, sun rays comes directly and hit the soil and increases the soil erosion and also increases moisture evaporation. Here increasing weights because weights require sun rays for growth. When the air and water comes directly on it, it damages the plants. The next slide is benefits of mulching. So for soil, mulch keeps the soil cooler and helps to prevent evaporation. Second point is weeds do not grow under it as they do not get the light they need to grow. Third point is prevents soil erosion, rainwater runoff and increase the amount of water that soaks into the soil.
Tell.
Fifth point is control soil erosion. The next slide is types of mulching. Next slide, sir. There are two types of mulching process. First is organic, second one is inorganic. First is inorganic. In organic process, chips, pine needles, dry inorganic usually used here in organic process. The mulch is here the mulch is decomposes, but in inorganic process the sheet will not decomposes with time. So the next slide, mulch selection.
So which one is better,
Yes, sir.
Omkar? Omkar, which one is better, inorganic or organic?
Basically, sir, inorganic is good, sir, compared to organic.
Why?
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 Because, sir, it is not decomposing, sir. Also,
Uh,
it produces and reduces the lot of uh, soil erosion, and also it reduces the moisture evaporation from the soil, and also it and also it prevents the weeds which grow under the trees.
Okay. Okay, next.
Then mulch selection, sir. Here three types is there. First one is types of plastic mulch. First is embossed plastic and second one is smooth plastic. Embossed plastic have greater stretch, less prone to wind fatigue and cracking, do not expand and contract under fluctuating temperature as much as smooth plastic. Next one is thickness. The plastic thickness range is 0.6 miles for 0.0152 mm and 2 miles for 0.050 mm. The cost increases as thickness increases. Next one is color. Here basically three colors are used for making plastic mulching. First one is black, which prevents weeds from growing, consuming water in crop production. Second one is clear plastic. Clear plastic mulch actually transmits more of the sun's heat to the soil below than the black plastic. Third one is white. White or black. White is primarily used for cooling effect. The white surface is laid on the reflect heat away, while the black surface is laid down on the prevent of the growth. So the next
So three
slide
type
is,
of color sheet will come.
yes sir.
Right. So
And
which
here,
color is used for what type of vegetable? It is also there, or it is not like that?
sir, it is basically comparable, sir. Sir,
Ah,
next slide is showing the effect of different colors of plastic on lights and weights on control. So the
okay.
black sheet you used, soil temperature increases 3 to 5% Fahrenheit.
Ah.
Then compared to clear
For that
plastic,
purpose, such type of vegetable, that sheet is used for some different types of vegetable, like that it is?
yes sir, yes sir.
Ah. Okay, okay, start.
Then comparison is here. Sir, black sheet is increasing 3 to 5 Fahrenheit of soil temperature. Then compared to
Okay.
clear, it increases 6 to 14%. Then compared to
Ah.
white by silver, it decreases minus 2 to 0.7 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And this is the light reflectivity, light absorptivity, light transmissivity, and wet suppression.
Okay.
Then the next slide comes advantages. So the first advantage is it prevents the direct evaporation of moisture from the soil and thus limits the water losses and conserves moisture. Mulches can also provide a barrier to soil pathogens. Third one, reflective mulches will repel certain insects. Fourth point is mulches maintain a warm temperature even during night time, which enables seeds to germinate quickly. Fifth one is mulches develop a microclimatic underside of the sheet, which is higher in carbon dioxide due to the higher level of microbial activity. Fifth one is early germination, almost 2 to 3 days. So these are these.
What is that point? Early germination, almost 2 to 3 days means?
Which means, sir, that decomposition of wets or water consumption and this processor.
That is the okay,
Yes,
for
sir.
2 to
2 to 3 days, sir.
Okay.
For better making soil, sir. That's it.
Okay. Next.
Next is why is this the problem? Due to limited disposal and recycling option, mulch tends to accumulate, identifying in landfills or may be burned, releasing toxins into the air. Commercially available biodegradable alternatives to plastic mulch have not gained widespread acceptance due to their high cost and low availability.
If heavy rain is there,
yes sir.
If heavy rain is there at that time, this process is used?
Yes sir. Yes sir, because the rain will not directly hit the soil because of the plastic laid because the plastic mulch is laid on the soil so that it will not damages the soil. And also
have you seen somewhere it is used in our area? Have you seen
yes,
somewhere in our area?
I have seen in Shinori sir.
Shinori. For what type of
Shinori.
vegetable we used?
They used that carrot and that gerberry flower, sir.
For carrot?
Carrot and gerberry flower.
Gerberry flower, okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I think for sweet potato or carrot,
yes, sir.
because carrot is under the ground. Carrot also
sir,
they use this?
They use, sir. Also that strawberry also use, sir. And so many, sir, beets and cucumber and like that, sir.
Okay. Next. Finished?
Next is sir conclusion part, sir.
Conclusion. Okay.
Mulching is the process that can help us of producing quality food in large quantities. In coming days, farmers will make us this innovation technique that helps them to conserve moisture, avoids weeds, and improve soil health. This will go a long way in the world achieving food security, sustainability.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This technique is okay.
Yes, sir.
This technique is very, very, very useful for the farmer.
Yes, sir.
To get easy process, and
Easy process, sir.
by using this process, so many workers we don't want into the field to be work, because to remove the unwanted grass and all that like that. And
yes, sir.
One more question I wanted to ask you. For this purpose, you require many labor?
No, sir.
Still some machine is there.
Yes, sir. This process will not require so much labor. If 2 or 4 people are required, that is
2
enough,
or 4 people.
Yes, sir.
This process is manual they are doing, or any machine? I have also seen on the
Sir,
internet some
machines are also there, sir. It is very costly, sir.
Costly,
because
okay. Because I have seen some machines also.
Yes, sir.
That's why I am asking you.
Sir.
Okay. Okay, Omkar.
Thank you, sir.
You have chosen a good chapter, a good subject you have chosen, and this is the really need. This really need for our farmers, because today there is a corona problem. So the only farmers is working. All are stayed at home, but only farmers are working nowadays. Because of that, हमारा देश कृषि प्रधान देश है. So because of that, we have to do the innovative things in our farming only, and this is the one of the innovative technique you have explained in front of us. That's why this subject you have chosen is very, very good. So
you,
the seminar is also very good. Slides are very good. You are explained very nicely.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Save the link properly.